Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to learn how you can select English in Duolingo application. This tutorial is going to be fast and easy. How to select English in Duolingo app. So the first thing you need to do is launch your application. After you have done so, I want you to click on Get Started and click on Continue and click on Continue again. But first, before you select your language, I want you to note that this application was designed for persons who are proficient, who are fluent speakers in a particular language that want to learn another language. Note that you are proficient in one language, you are fluent in one language, and you want to learn another one. It was not made for persons who are fluent in one language and still want to learn that same language. For example, if I'm very fluent in French and I want to learn English, this app was designed just for that. But if you are fluent in English and you still want to learn English, it may be difficult for you to select the settings that fit what you really need. So in this case, I'm going to show you how you can select English on Duolingo. So here you can see the first section are for French speakers, and you see the first option is English. But this time around, we are going to go to English speakers. Under the English speakers, you can click on Intermediate English and you click on Continue. So this is how you can select English on Duolingo. If you have any question, I want you to let me know in the comment section. I'm going to give you the answer in the next video.